Okay, so we want to solve 11.1, number 78.
Yes.
Okay, so what do I start with, guys? Yeah, it seems like FOIL. Why can't I just set each of the pieces equal to 2/3 or something?
Because
you have to multiply it first.
Yeah, because there's not a 2/3 product rule, right? There's a 0 product rule. Okay, so I FOIL them out. What do I get?
3x squared
Minus 7x.
Okay, minus 4x minus 3x
plus 4.
plus 4 is 2/3.
Yes.
Okay, so then what?
I want to rewrite the 4s in thirds.
Oh, okay. So this was FOIL, right? And then I might say, okay, 4 is how many thirds?
12.
12 thirds. Okay, so then what do I do both sides?
Subtract 2/3.
Recognize, right, that we're applying a function to both sides. Really, we're trying to invert something. You guys see that? We've got 2/3 added to that side, so we're applying the inverse function of adding 2/3 to get rid of it. So I've got 3x squared minus 7x
Minus 10/3. Plus 10/3.
plus 10/3 is
0.
0.
So 9/3 x squared minus 21/3 x squared plus 10/3 if you want to do that. Then technically you could.
Okay,
divide
so
by
we could
3
convert
and
everything to
multiply each
thirds and then multiply by 3.
Yeah.
Or we could just multiply everything by 3.
how
You guys
this
see
is.
that? So if I multiply everything by 3, I'm going to get 9x squared minus 21x plus 10 is 0. Then what?
Either factor or use the quadratic formula.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
You could try to factor, see if it works.
Okay.
3x plus 3x.
Oh, yeah, there's a bunch of ways to try to factor this, right?
Yeah, quadratic seems easier at this point.
I'm going to cram this in the quadratic formula. We haven't done one of those in a while. I think that's a good idea. So what are my A, B, and C?
A is 9, B is negative 21, C is 10.
Okay. So X is then
Negative 21 plus or minus square root negative 21 squared minus 4 times 9 times 10 all over 2 times 9.
Okay. Horribleness. What's 21 squared? All right. Okay. Look, I'm a mathematician, not an arithmetician, okay? So I got 21 plus or minus the square root of
441 minus, it's 90 times 4.
well, 9 times 4 is
360.
Okay. 36 times 10 is 360. And then I'm dividing by 18 still. So I got 21 plus or minus.
Square root of 81.
Ah, cool. We could have factored. Probably. Right? This thing coming out as an integer is usually a dead giveaway that you could have factored. Okay, so I got 21 plus or minus 9 over 18 gives me what?
You can factor out a 3.
Okay, so 7 plus 3 over 6. Factor and cancel at 3, right? Okay. Oh, plus or minus 3 over 6. So my two answers are
10 over 6 and 4 over 6.
x is 10, 6 or x is 4, 6.
Mhm.
So that's 5, 6 or 2/3.
5/3.
5.
Thank you. Thirds. Told you, I'm not an arithmetician.
1 and 2/3.
Thank you.
Yeah, so that seems like why was that hard?
I guess just couldn't find an example that had the quadratic formula.
Yeah, you probably couldn't find an example because this, although it's number 78 and 11.1, this is something out of
Like from an older edition.
8.2 or 3, right? This was use the quadratic formula section, basically. Cool.
So if in doubt, it's not anymore this section, it's the current one, chances are that's probably the previous one. Probably.
Yeah, I mean, you should know how to do the problems in the book, right? Like, they
Yeah.
should be techniques that are either something you just learned or something they expected you to know.
Yeah.
So don't be afraid to use really old tools. They often work fine.
Um,
It's not like they get rusty sitting, well, they do kind of get rusty sitting in the back of your brain, but take them out, rattle them off, see if they still work.
having said that.
Cool?
Yeah, thank you.
No problem.
Finished with my-